Hello princesses, today I'm going to be doing a quick little review on a few of the Rhode skincare items. As I'm from New Zealand, we didn't get Rhode until very recently. I think I've had these for maybe like a month and a half, and so I'm going to give you a quick rundown on whether I think that they are, for me, worth the money and repurchasable. So I got 4 products. I would say like 3 skincare and then the lip gloss. I mean, they're all kind of skincare, right? Because it's a lip balm. It's a lip tint, Peptide lip tint. I'm going to call it skincare. I'm going to start with the one that I think I was the most excited about, which is the eye patches. So these are the Eye Prep Depuffing patches. There are 6 pairs and they retail in New Zealand for $49. They are going to cool the eyes, depuff and brighten the skin. For me, these ones are the most disappointing because they are the most expensive per wear and they're the ones that I use the least. I actually find that they don't really fit around my eyes very well. So if I want to get them like close enough to where I would have like dark circles, they just really irritate my eyes when I blink, and they are actually very itchy for me. So they definitely don't suit my skin type very well, and they're not one that I would repurchase. I do know that a lot of people love these though, so I'm not saying that these don't work. I'm just saying that they don't personally work for me, and it's a bit disappointing considering how much they were. I also picked up a small version of the Barrier Restore Cream. I wanted to try the Barrier Butter, but they didn't have it in a small size, and I specifically needed this for my travel bag. So that's the one that I picked up. So this one was $39 for the mini. This one is 30 milliliters, which is not too bad for the price that you're paying. This one is a soothing, hydrating daily moisturizer to support the skin barrier, and I agree with that. I feel like this moisturizer was really nice on the skin. It was very gentle, it was very soothing. Didn't do any like intense hydration, but it was a really good daytime one. I do feel like for the price that you pay, I have other products that I personally prefer, but there's nothing wrong with this product, and it comes in a nice mini that I can get my hands on quickly, which in New Zealand is a challenge. Next we have the Glazing Mist. I really wanted this one because I heard really great things about it, and that you can just apply it to your skin during the day and it makes your skin look really glassy and glowy, and yes it does, but it also makes my skin personally so sticky. My hair, I have a lot of it, will just cling and I just look like, oh, it looks really terrible. So I personally can't use this one with makeup on because, like I said, yeah, it makes me look like a glazed donut, but also I look like a hairy glazed donut, and that is not cute. I have been using this as my like actual skincare, so I'll be using I have 3 different types of toners at the moment. This one goes on last because it's more of like an aesthetic thing. I do really like it. I think that the sprayer itself is really, really good, and I enjoy the packaging. But I don't think that the product inside for me personally is anything to write home about. But I feel like if you want that glazed donut look over makeup, this would be a really great product. And then the lucky last is the very famous lip tint. This is the Peptide lip tint. I have mine in the shade Ribbon, and I really like this one. I definitely rate it. I'm trying to figure out how much it was. This one was $39, which I think is fine. I do think that this one makes my lips feel quite nice, so it gives a really pretty color. I really like the ribbon color, and it is moisturizing. So this is more moisturizing than most of the tints that I have, apart from, I would say, the Summer Fridays is the other lip like balm, tinted balm that I would rate up with this one. It's also not as sticky, which I really, really like, but you still get that nice glossy effect. So this one I would probably purchase again. It's quite small. Looking at it though, it's 10 mils for $39. So not cheap, but I do really like it. So that is it for the Rhode skincare products that I picked up in this section. I think that my favorite is definitely the lip tint and probably the mist, and then these 2 are patches are not for me, but I did like the cream. All in all, I feel like I spent a lot of money, didn't particularly love anything that much from the tint. But yeah, I had a really great time trying out the products from Rhode. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!